Will you push the button? If you do, then you can play any instrument you want, but you are terrible at every other subject than music. So are you pushing the button? You gain the ability to create a fully functional copy of yourself, but your copy will try to kill you. So are you pushing the button? You will have the power to read anyone's mind at will, but every time you actually do read someone's mind, you uncontrollably pee a little. So are you pushing the button? Hit the follow button for a variety of different content daily.